si ano nila. Naman yung saan sa nakakarating. Scarlett. Just pull in line.
Diyan lang at kamay sa likod. Iyan, umayos ka.
Dito ka kasi, Scarlett. Nasa likod ka naman. The front.
Busy days we have spent, we are crayons and pencils, drawing objects
It's okay, you're
out
alright.
in numbers, learning our ABCs. We can write our name, spell it out loud and clear. We can sing song along to our baby
Scarlett.
Jesus.
Iyan, umayos. Hindi tawa na tawa.
Scarlett.
Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely. Here in our kindergarten, we are happy as can be. Let's breathe for goodbye to our dear teachers now. Our diploma on hand, on graduation day we bow.
Ang kulit. Ang kulit ba?
Dearest Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely. Here in our kindergarten, we are happy